And how to linearize the PAs, power amplifiers. So what is the technique for linearizing power amplifiers? Because only class A is going to be the linear power amplifier. B, C, D, E, F all are going to be highly non-linear. So how can we linearize power amplifiers? For high output power levels, low efficiency means power consumption is large. So a lot of study has been done how to increase the efficiency and how to make the amplifiers more linear. So those can be used by different feedback techniques. So you know that feedback will remove all the noise, and feedback networks are going to be highly linear. So four techniques are designed for that purpose. One is feed forward, Cartesian feedback, pre-distortion, envelope feedback. So these four techniques are going to linearize the power amplifier so that they can be having more efficiency. And recent days in RF2 techniques, polar modulation and outphasing has become